Hello, my dear English learner friends. How are you all? I hope you are healthy and safe wherever you are. This is Rajib Datta in front of you. I truly believe English is an important skill in today's modern world. That is why I have taken a challenge to make 100 videos on 100 different topics in 100 days to improve my speaking. If you are passionate about English, you can join this journey with me. I wish good luck to everyone who is ready to take this step. So without any more delay, let's begin today's video. My today's topic is about YouTube. YouTube is one of the most popular websites in the world today. It is a platform where people can watch, share, and upload videos for free. On YouTube, we can find many kinds of videos like education, music, movies, cooking, travel, sports, and technology. Students use YouTube to learn difficult lessons in an easy way. Many teachers make helpful videos to explain subjects clearly. People also watch YouTube for fun and relaxation after a busy day. Anyone can open a YouTube channel and show their talent to the world. Many young people are becoming YouTubers and building their careers through this platform. YouTube helps small businesses to grow by showing their products online. It also connects people from different countries and cultures. However, we should use YouTube wisely and avoid wasting too much time. Not every video is good, so we need to choose the right content. Parents should guide children about what they watch. I think YouTube is a powerful invention that has changed the way we learn and enjoy life. If you use it in a positive way, it can be a powerful tool for knowledge, creativity, and success. Thanks for listening patiently. See you in the next video. Goodbye for today.